What's up everybody, Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase your audio quality on your YouTube videos for under $30. Let's talk about it. Alright everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If this type of content is something you are interested in, photography, you're interested in taking your YouTube channel to the next level, wanting to learn about gear and so forth, then consider hitting that subscribe button and punching that bell icon so that way you'll be notified of all the content we post. And when you do hit that notification bell, be sure you click on the all function so that way you are notified of everything that we post to this channel. So as the title suggests, in today's video we are going to talk about an amazing upgrade that you can purchase for your camera as long as it accepts a 3.5mm or even a 2.5mm with an adapter microphone into your camera, so that way you can upgrade, and instead of using the onboard microphones on your camera, you can severely upgrade your audio to take it to the next level and increase the production of your YouTube videos. Now currently we are rocking on the Rode Video NTG, which is a 3.5mm also USB Type-C powered microphone, and in my opinion this is a great microphone to strive for, but it also costs $249. Now although this microphone in my opinion is an amazing upgrade for your studio, and even though right now you are listening to this microphone picking up my sound right now, I'm going to show you how this little bad boy right here from Saramonic can also increase your audio production for your YouTube videos. So right now what we're going to do is we are going to hear the onboard microphones on the Sony ZV-1. So right now you're hearing the onboard microphones pick up my voice on the Sony ZV-1. Now in a pinch this can be utilized for scratch audio, it can be utilized to sync off-camera audio as well, but overall production, this does not sound up to quality for your YouTube videos. I mean, it gets the job done, especially if you're super close, and I'm not gonna lie, the mics on the Sony ZV-1 are passable. It is a usable option, but again, if you're wanting to take your videos to that next level and increase your quality and production, then this is something that you're definitely going to want to invest in. And again, for $27 plus tax, usually around $30, this little microphone is going to drastically do that for you and increase your audio production. So right now we're going to plug this little bad boy in and you'll be able to hear what it sounds like. Now you're hearing the audio coming directly through the Saramonic SmartLav microphone that, as you saw, is super tiny, costs roughly $25, and again in my opinion is the cheapest but best upgrade you can have for your cameras, whether it be the Sony ZV-1, whether it be a Fujifilm camera, whatever you're utilizing. If you're trying to maintain a small compact setup but want to have amazing audio quality, then this is the microphone for you. I'm going to leave links in the descriptions. They are affiliate links. It helps out the channel, but again, if you don't wish to use them, that is fine by me. You can always go to Amazon or your retailers and look up this microphone, because in my opinion it is the best and cheapest option for you to drastically increase your audio, and it's completely wireless. You don't have to worry about plugging in a lav, and you don't have to worry about plugging in a lav and then running a long wire. You can move freely, and it just provides you with an incredible upgrade to your audio experience for your listeners and for your production of your videos, whether it be for YouTube, whether it be for small little interviews, run and gun. I cannot think of a better option than this little Saramonic SmartLav microphone. Now we're going to switch back to the Rode microphone right here that we utilize for most of our videos. Alright everybody, so welcome back. Again, right now you're listening to the Rode Video NTG microphone, which allows you to utilize either a USB type connection or the general 3.5mm jack, or as I mentioned, you can utilize it with a 2.5mm that Fujifilm tends to put like on their X Pro lineup. You can still use this microphone with that. You just need to utilize the adapter that the cameras come with, or you can purchase one. I'll leave a link down below as well. It is an affiliate link if you choose to support the channel. Feel free to use those affiliate links down below. But again, the topic of today's video was increasing your audio production for under $30, really under $25, and in my opinion it is a great microphone for you to start off with and drastically increase your video production and audio production for all of your videos, YouTube, personal, vlogging and whatnot. I cannot think of a better microphone than that little Saramonic mic. But let me know what you all think down in the comments. Do you own this microphone personally? What did you think of the audio results that we were getting from that little microphone? Again, let me know down in the description below. Thank each and every one of you for stopping on by. Shout out to all 2,720 subscribers as of the recording of this video. I thank each and every one of you for stopping on by, and I will see all of you beautiful human beings in the next video. Peace.